Are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure? Join us today as we dive into the world of plant-based cooking and discover the delectable flavors of oyster mushrooms. Whether you're a longtime vegan or just curious about meatless meals, this recipe is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Wait, before we starting the I introduce you Alpillion supplement weight loss in 7 days. Now let's dive into the video. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need fresh oyster mushrooms, olive oil, garlic, onions, bell peppers, and a blend of your favorite spices. Sautéing the aromatics, in a hot pan, add a drizzle of olive oil and sauté some garlic, onions, and bell peppers until they become fragrant and tender. This will be the flavorful base for our dish. Cooking the oyster mushrooms. Now, add those beautiful oyster mushrooms to the pan. Let them sizzle and soak up all the savory goodness from the aromatics. Season to perfection. Don't forget to season with your favorite blend of spices. We recommend a pinch of salt, pepper, and a dash of paprika for that extra kick. Final touches. Once your oyster mushrooms are tender and bursting with flavor, it's time to plate up this delectable vegan masterpiece. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.